if you are dealt 4 cards from a shuffled deck of 52 cards, find the probability that all 4 cards are face cards. So my denominator needs to be the total number of ways I can select 4 cards from the entire deck of 52 cards. So that's going to be 52C4. And then on the numerator, it needs to be the total number of ways I can select 4 face cards from the 12 total face cards. So that's 12C4. And this is equal to 495 over 270,725. Now, because this is such a big number, some calculators won't be able to reduce this fraction. So I'll accept the unreduced form. Or if you want to put the decimal, that's okay as well. So 0.0018. So either way,